subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Techmechos channel. Thank you for watching another tutorial video, and today we will show you top 7 mobiles deals on Flipkart Big Billion Days 2018 with biggest discount. So, let's begin the quick tutorial. Stay tuned. Redmi Note 5 Pro 64GB 4GB RAM. This smartphone, with its reinforced corners and special thermal design, features a 2.5D curved Corning Gorilla Glass display which prevents the screen from getting damaged and adds to the overall durability of the smartphone. This sturdy smartphone is powered by a powerful 1.8 GHz Snapdragon 636 processor which implements Creo architecture, which improves the overall performance and efficiency. Its 12MP plus 5MP dual rear camera setup and the 20MP front camera let you take brilliant pictures and crystal clear selfies. Specification: 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, expandable up to 128GB. 15.21 cm, 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display, 12MP plus 5MP 20MP front camera, 4000 mAh Li Polymer Battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor. Meet the Poco F1, the first flagship smartphone from Poco by Xiaomi. The Poco F1 sports Qualcomm flagship Snapdragon 845 processor, an octa-core CPU with a maximum clock speed of 2.8 GHz, which is supported by 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM. It is coupled with a liquid-cooled technology that allows the device to sustain peak performance for a longer period of time. On the back, it features a 12MP plus 5MP dual-pixel AI dual camera setup. The main camera sensor features 1.4 megapixels, dual-pixel autofocus and multi-frame noise reduction. On the front, it sports a 20MP high-res front camera and IR face unlock. Poco F1 also boasts of a massive 4000 mAh type battery with quick charge 3.0 to keep you going all day long. Specification: 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM, expandable up to 256GB. 15.7 cm, 6.18-inch FHD Plus display, 12MP plus 5MP 20MP front camera, 4000 mAh Li Polymer Battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. Designed to be stylish and fit comfortably in your hands, the Asus Zenfone 5Z is truly a work of art. Powered by a 2.8-GHz octa-core Snapdragon 845 Creo 385 processor and 6GB of RAM. This smartphone does an effective job whether you're watching videos, clicking pictures, or browsing the internet. It features a 2.8-GHz octa-core Snapdragon 845 processor with the Artificial Intelligence Engine (AI), with the Exynos 630 processor and 6GB of RAM. Any apps and games that you may run work seamlessly. Specification: 8GB RAM, 256GB ROM, expandable up to 2TB, 15.75 cm, 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display, 12MP plus 8MP front camera, 3300 mAh battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 octa-core processor. Bring it in with AI imaging in a 19:9 Full HD experience. Feel entertainment to the fullest with the Nokia 6.1 Plus immersive display at home or on the road. Its 14.73 cm, 5.8 Full HD display and 19:9 ratio bring you closer to the action. Make the most out of every click with its dual-sensor rear camera, 16MP plus 5MP and 16MP front camera for lifelike selfies. Games, movies or videos, get the speed to make the experience lag-free. thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor that this box of innovations comes with. The icing on the cake, you ask. The Nokia 6.1 Plus features an extended battery life to make all your cinematic cravings last as well. Specification: 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, expandable up to 400GB, 14.73 cm, 5.8-inch FHD plus display. 16MP plus 5MP, 16MP front camera, 3060 mAh battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor, Android One with Oreo 8.1. From movies to mobile games, now enjoy a seamless viewing experience on this smartphone, thanks to its on-a-notch full-view 14.84 cm FHD plus display, 19:9 aspect ratio. It offers more screen space for a stunning visual experience. The 12-layer premium glass design on the rear and the double-sided 2.5D curved glass lend the Honor 9N a sleek and an elegant look. Capture bright and beautiful selfies even in dimly lit conditions with this phone's 6-MP front camera. Take your photography game up a notch with the 13+2MP dual rear camera system. It comes with a professional level bokeh mode for stunning photos. The Kirin 659 octa-core 2.36 GHz processor of this phone ensures a lag-free multitasking experience. Specification: 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, expandable up to 256GB, 14.83 cm, 5.84 inches display, 13MP plus 2MP, 16MP front camera, 3000 mAh battery, Kirin 659 octa-core processor. The Samsung Galaxy On6 has everything covered to make an enthusiastic millennial's life easier. From posting envious pictures to chatting and watching the latest shows in their finest clarity simultaneously, this phone lets you do everything conveniently. It comes with a delightful 13MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera to let you click whatever you see. It also packs in vital security features such as face unlock and fingerprint scanner for enhanced privacy. Specification: 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, expandable up to 256GB. 14.22 cm, 5.6-inch HD plus display, 13MP rear camera, 8MP front camera, 3000 mAh battery, 1.6 GHz Exynos octa-core processor. Meet the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, whose power-packed features such as the loudspeaker and a high-capacity battery will elevate your smartphone experience to a different level. Its dual camera system with bokeh is bound to make your pictures look beautiful. Not to forget, the FHD Plus display will make everything on screen look visually appealing. Specification: 6GB RAM, 64GB ROM, expandable up to 2TB, 15.21 cm, 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display, 16MP plus 5MP, 16MP front camera, 5000 mAh battery. Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor.